Are you looking for a weight loss plan that offers both structure and flexibility? The Weight Watchers Blue Plan, also known as the Freestyle Plan, might be just what you need. This plan is designed to help you make healthier choices without feeling restricted. Let's dive into what makes the Blue Plan unique and how it can support your weight loss journey. What is the Weight Watchers Blue Plan? The Blue Plan is one of the 3 plans offered by Weight Watchers, each tailored to different preferences and lifestyles. The Blue Plan stands out for its balance of flexibility and structure, making it a popular choice for many. Key features of the Blue Plan: 0-point foods. One of the most appealing aspects of the Blue Plan is its extensive list of 0-point foods. These are foods you can enjoy without tracking, making meal planning simpler and more enjoyable. The list includes over 200 items such as 1. Fruits and vegetables, excluding starchy ones like potatoes. 2. Lean proteins like chicken breast, turkey, eggs, and non-fat plain Greek yogurt. 3. Legumes such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Smart Points system. In addition to 0-point foods, the Blue Plan uses the Smart Points system. Each member receives a daily Smart Points budget based on their weight, height, age, and gender. Foods are assigned Smart Points values based on their nutritional content, encouraging healthier choices. This system helps you stay within your daily budget while enjoying a variety of foods. Flexibility. The Blue Plan is ideal if you 1. Enjoy a variety of 0-point foods. 2. Prefer not to track every single thing you eat. 3. Want a mix of daily points and 0-point foods for flexibility? Many people have found success with the Blue Plan. Its balanced approach allows for a sustainable lifestyle change rather than a restrictive diet. With the freedom to enjoy occasional treats and the guidance to make healthier choices, the Blue Plan can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Sarah's journey. Sarah, a busy mom of 2, struggled with finding time to focus on her health. After joining the Blue Plan, she found it easier to incorporate healthy eating into her hectic schedule. The 0-point foods were a game changer for me, she says. I didn't have to worry about tracking every bite, and I could focus on enjoying meals with my family. Sarah lost 25 pounds in 6 months and feels more energetic than ever. Mark's transformation. Mark, a 45-year-old office worker, had tried several diets without much success. The Blue Plan's flexibility allowed him to enjoy his favorite foods while still losing weight. I loved that I could have a burger now and then without feeling guilty, Mark shares. The Smart Point system helped me make better choices overall. Mark lost 30 pounds in 8 months and has maintained his weight loss for over a year. Emily's success. Emily, a college student, found the Blue Plan perfect for her on-the-go lifestyle. I could easily find 0-point foods in the dining hall and didn't feel restricted, she explains. The plan fits seamlessly into my life. Emily lost 15 pounds in 4 months and feels more confident and healthy. Tips for following the Blue Plan. 1. Stock up on 0-point foods. Keep your kitchen stocked with 0-point foods to make healthy eating easier. 2. Plan your meals. Use your Smart Points budget to plan meals that include a mix of 0-point and higher-point foods. 3. Stay active. Incorporate physical activity into your routine to boost your weight loss efforts. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your overall health. The Weight Watchers Blue Plan offers a balanced approach to weight loss, combining the freedom of 0-point foods with the structure of the Smart Points system. Whether you're new to Weight Watchers or looking for a plan that fits your lifestyle, the Blue Plan could be the perfect choice for you. I hope these stories inspire you. Would you like any more details or tips?